today we are very excited to do the launch of the new logos of Suguna Group and Suguna Foods. And really here we want to bring out the strength which we have with our stakeholders, starting from the farmers up to the consumers. And we're also excited to bring out the new brand name for our processed foods division, which is the brand Delfres. This is going to be the new retail avatar of Suguna.
Is it a new company or you are conjoined with the Delfres?
Delfres is a new brand name which is coming under Suguna Foods, and all processed foods products will be coming out in the brand name Delfres.
So what
product line will be there? How many products will be under it?
Delfres will consist of all the products starting from the whole chicken to the portions to the marinades, ready to eat products, mutton and eggs.
What plans will have established the industry
Yeah.
Look at the camera.
Over the last 30 years, we have partnered with various farmers, almost 40,000 farmers in 19 states across the country. And we have established a very strong network in that way. Now, with a robust supply chain network and good manufacturing unit in multiple states, we want to bring these products directly from the farm to each of the houses through multiple retail outlets that is going to be present in major cities
So
across the country.
main idea is to promote the agricultural background people.
Yes, we want to leverage upon our network and bring those products to you in a fresh way.
So our
Initially, when the COVID came, that time supply chain is the biggest challenge, because getting the raw material for a chicken, then make it as a feed, everything is a closed door. Then with the right intervention by the government, they given a priority sector of status for poultry. Due to that, we are able to feed the birds in timely. Then we are able to reach out to final product also in the market. But overall, initially there is a setback. I can say is during the early stages of the COVID about the consumption. That perception is completely changed after the statements by many of the eminent government people. After that, the consumptions are improved.
The tagline talks about the family bonding and nutrition and all that. So what is your contribution towards CSR helping the community and
Now we have our business model itself CSR activity by way of enriching the farmer's life. That's the one area. Then apart from that, the second one, what we are keeping it is we are running an institute for a poultry education for a rural people, whomever they want to come in to do as an entrepreneurship, as a poultry business. There is no right way of education channels are not available. Now we made one education institute also for the whomever the rural people they want to come for a poultry education. That's number two.